What's good, YouTube?
What up, YouTube?
Back at it again.
It's your boy Jay. So we're back with another video. You know what I'm saying? Big Z.
What we doing this weekend?
Man, today we got the lake, man. You know what I'm saying? Turn around, sit down. We got the lake. Come outside.
Beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Let's show you guys.
Look at him. You want to do a home tour. Oh, the sun is just on my skin, boy.
We got the lake, man. So, you know what I'm saying?
Look, you guys. This is a lake vlog.
Great weekend.
It's a great weekend.
Great fun weekend.
Cheers.
First shot of the day, yeah?
That sounds like somebody that didn't take it.
I really need somebody. Tell me you there's somebody.
How you feel?
I feel good. It's Saturday. I'm off. I'm ready to have a good time. How you feel?
Shoot. Yeah, I mean, you're driving, so my heart.
So how you feel?
I don't know. My.
Nigga, get in the trunk.
Big weird.